Yeah, right quick. This for everybody that got something negative to say about the Nas and DJ Premier album. Now we know Nas is Nas. Pen still sharp, flows, cadence, delivery, you know what I'm saying? Subject matter, content, you know what I'm saying? That's what we all know. We always know Nas to be, right? But in the comment section, I see a lot of people like shitting on Primo, DJ Premier, and his production. Now, one thing's for sure, two things for certain, bro. When it comes to DJ Premier, you know what you gonna get. It's like he ain't changed. He ain't like he don't really go into the reinventing himself. He got that vintage boom bap DJ kind of 90s kind of sound, bro. So he's never deviated from that. So when I heard Nas and Premier was doing an album, if you a fan of either of them, or if you just know the history of their music in the past, you know what you gonna get. So I don't get what the uproar is. Like, that shit sound like I envisioned it sounding. Like, when you think about it, Nas is like, I mean, like, yo, what the fuck did y'all want? Like, you gotta think about this. These are two artists, DJs, or whatever you want to call them. These guys are in their 50s, bro. I don't want to say you can't teach an old dog new trick, but when you set in your ways, especially if it's been working for you for decades, bro, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I'm not sure what niggas was looking for. What I heard is what I thought I was gonna hear, and it sound good, bro. Sonically, I knew I was gonna get that vintage boom bap sound out of Primo. What the fuck y'all thought y'all was getting? Like, this ain't Nas and Hit Boy, bro. I get Hit Boy got the more I don't want to say updated, because Hit Boy is Hit Boy and he's a fantastic producer. I love to work with him, but I knew what I was gonna get when I heard Nas and Primo, bro. I knew what it was gonna sound like. I'm not shitting on him because I knew what that shit was gonna sound like, bro. What y'all on? You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure Nas gonna work with other producers in the future. But for as far as Nas and Premier, you got the sound that you was supposed to get. If you don't like it, don't listen to this shit. But whining and complaining, bro, Primo a legend. Flat out. And he ain't gotta change shit if he don't want to. What's been working for him, been working for him. Quit dick eating, bro. Shit sound like it's supposed to sound.